Hey guys, welcome back to RC. So a quick video here regarding the steering rack over here and here, because we have received complaint that says, "Well, you guys have given me the wrong steering rack. It's the wrong size. I have turned the rod end all the way down and it just won't fit. It won't fit the steering knuckle. Because it's bent on both ends. It's wrong. There's something wrong. It's defect." It's not. Well, the reason why is because there are actually two versions of this steering rack here, this horizontal bar over here. One is a straight one, the other one is bent on both ends. I'm going to show you from the bottom. So if you can see here, it's much clearer this way. This is like a flat one, a straight one. And this one has bend on both ends. So the latest one, they are all not just the cam kit but also the 4x4 metal upgrade. You have the steering rack that has a bend on both ends. The reason why they are unable to fit, the reason why they think we have sent him the wrong steering rack is because you have to mount the rod end on the inner hole. You see there are two holes, whereas on the older one there's only one hole on each of the steering knuckle. On the new one, there are actually two holes. One hole on the inner side, and there's another on the outer one. Okay, so the outer one, for example over here, is for you to fit the steering ring cage. And another issue also because when you receive your car, your KM, there's either outdated instruction manual or there's no instruction manual if you purchase the 4x4 metal upgrade. So people are thinking that they should mount it on the outer hole, but then even just a common sense, you can just adjust your rod end and then just try to install it on the inner hole. Even though it comes with the physical, the paper manual, you should go to the official website, go to instruction manual and download the latest manual. And in fact, for example, C24KM, maybe you are aware of this issue about the instruction manual. So if you scroll down, we actually mentioned for metal drivetrain, you should refer to C34KM manual and C44KM manual for the steering rack installation, because C44 has the latest steering rack, which is bent on both ends. The C34 doesn't have it. And we will add more info in the instruction section, thanks to a suggestion from Jash Neon. So for example, if you click on the B34KM, it won't be just the manual itself, but there are build tips, or there are notes and some like build video, for example, with its own page for B36KM. So I hope this clear the confusion out there regarding the issue where you receive the wrong steering rack, but it's not. It's just that this latest version, and you just simply mount your both rod end to the inner hole, and then you'll be on trailing very soon. So thank you everyone for watching. I'll see you on next video. Please like and subscribe. Bye.